Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Hey everyone, Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? What we have here is a 27-inch Have a PEPSI embossed thermometer sign. This one definitely does not have the glasses in there, but mercury's gone. It's in pretty good shape. If you are a Pepsi collector or looking for a great colorful sign, this is probably for you then.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.